In this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve this advert university common entrance exam. Now we have 7 to the power of m plus 7 to the power of m equals 140. Here we have to find the value of m that we use to satisfy this equation right here. Now let's have a solution. Now 7 to the power of m plus 7 to the power of m equals 140. Now note that this is of the form a plus a, which equals 2a. Now we are going to apply this same rule here, and we are going to have that this give us 2 multiplied by 7 to the power of m equals 140. Now we are going to divide both sides by 2. We divide here by 2 and we divide here by 2. Here 2 eliminate 2 and we have the 7 to the power of m equals here 140 divided by 2, that to give us 70. Now the next step to be considered, we are going to divide both of these equations by 7. We divide here by 7, we divide here by 7. When right here record that from indices, when the base are the same, we subtract when the base are the same, and in division we subtract the powers. Therefore here as a power of 1, and as such this will give us 7 to the power of m minus 1 equals here 70 divided by 7, that will give us 10. Now the next step to be considered, we are going to take the logarithm of both sides of the equation, and we are going to have here log 7 to the power of m minus 1 equals log 10. And right here, we are going to apply power rule here. We are going to return this power to the back of the log, and the equation becomes m minus 1 log 7 equals log 10. Then at this very point, we are going to divide both sides of the equation through by log 7. We divide here by log 7, divide here by log 7. Then here log 7 will remain log 7, and we have here that m minus 1 equals log 10 divided by log 7. And recall here that if we have log a divided by log b, that this is equivalent to log a base b. Then we are going to apply very same principle right here, and this equation will be expressed as m minus 1 equals log 10 base 7. Now we are going to add 1 to both sides of the equation, or we call like terms, and in that case m equals log 10 base 7 plus 1. And this is the value of m that will satisfy this given equation right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos from this channel. See you in the next video.